Hello, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, today we will be diagnosing O2 sensor, oxygen sensor fault. This is the light I have. Check engine light, and video might be a little bit chaotic because I don't know the exact route that the repair will take place. Now I'll read the car to see the fault code. I'll tell you the symptoms. When I start up the engine, the light comes off, check engine light comes off, and then after a couple of seconds the light comes back on. Now we'll see the fault in a second. I'll just put my diagnostic tool while I'm talking. So the car is 2000 OPEL VAUXHALL Zafira. Engine is 1.816 valve. So we're gonna see the fault codes now. You got a circuit voltage high, and you got a P0131, whatever this one is. So now when the circuit voltage is high, this means it reads lean. This one is from 0 volts, it's high, and then it's lean. On 5 volts it's very lean. Now what we have: intake temperature, mass airflow sensor. We'll see now this reading should be around 10 kilograms, and initially should be around 20, I think. Let's get the neutral. I'll start up the car. So initially is around 20, so this is okay. Let's for it to warm up. O2 light is on, and you can see that we got no reading here. Nothing. It moves a little bit. But it's still on. It goes down. There we go. The light is off. It was on. Now the light is off. But you can see it's still showing very high numbers. And it's just showing very high. I don't know, could be a problem with the heating up, because when it's hot it doesn't make such a problem. So what we're gonna do, I'll check if it's heating up, initially. Now I went to the sensor, it's hidden light underneath this one, but that's the connector. It's got 4 wires, and I went in and I saw this. Now to me looks like a good enough reason for it to not work, but we'll still see, because you got 2 wires. You got, I think this one, because the car got a AOPG conversion, I think something is tapped into it. So I'll try to solder this wire back in and we'll see what's going to happen. So I check with the multimeter on the connector of the oxygen sensor. Can you see the 2 thick wires? 2 thick wires are for the heating, so we don't have problem with the heating, but we might have a problem with the actual reading, yeah, because of this poor connection. I'll just check so I know, and for the video, what was the reading of the lambda connector, because I really don't remember. So it's 6.2 ohms in between the brown right and the black one. And now let's try to fix this one to see if it's making a better voltage reading. Okay, so I managed to pull this one out, and you can see the amount of corrosion onto it, so keep that in mind. So I'll try to solder it here in the end, yeah, but still I need to get rid of all this corrosion. Best thing would be to buy a new plug, but where I can find a new plug on Saturday, on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, I'll try to fix this one and see the results. Swapping an engine recently, and I completely forgot that I had a harness that I could use. So we'll just do this, and then on the back we will take the plug out. Yay! Good one. So take it here, I'll just chop it off like that, and then look how much better this one looks. Yeah, so use this one here. I'll just quickly put this one in here, so if one day I need something. So this one I'll crimp it now with my crimping tool. I think crimping will be the best choice, and I'll put it straight into the other plug. Okay, so I think this is a lot better. I don't know if you can see it, but it's nice and solid. The plug here is clean, so I'll put it back in. Okay, so let's start the car and see. Let's see what we got. Nothing. But we don't have a thing on the dashboard as well. So let's wait a couple of seconds and see. Oh, it's going down. So we got a reading, that's very good. And it's still going up. It's going up. But look how much sharper. Can you see how much? And it was not going to the 1 volt reading. Okay, so leave the car running, stand still, and we'll see if the lambda will come out. We got a integrator 128, that's the normal one. Let's see what is the air intake. We're waiting for this one to drop around 10. That's very important reading, to drop around 10. O2 sensor loop open. Unfortunately, I don't know what this one means. I didn't have enough time to read about it. But this one definitely responds a lot quicker. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so like, I don't know how much time later, we'll see now. But the sensor loop went to closed, and it's moving. You can see it's moving the voltages. What is the car temperature? Maybe like 3-4 minutes later. 10 degrees. Your coolant temperature 70. Wow. Okay. Mass airflow 13, 12. Yeah, it does move. Well, I hope this video has been helpful to you. I hope you managed to fix your problem. Let's see if we have any fault codes, but I don't think so. Oh, we got some, but they're not on the dashboard. That because they're not present. So that was these two. I'll just take a shot for there we go, for the thumbnail. That's it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.